Welcome. Today we are taking a look at Bitcoin and Enjin coin, and really just some considerations about the broader market and where we're at considering the past few days of downward movement. We're not saying this will happen. Really what we're looking at are contingent cases and how we will devise our strategies to respond. And that's a good leeway into the video. As a note, of course, I am not a licensed financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do not ask me what trades to make. I will not answer those questions. What I will do is provide financial education and entertainment as to how I deploy range value trading on a larger time frame to distract myself from drawing patterns on 15 to 30 minute candles. So if you like the charts, if you like the longer time frame, if you're here to analyze holding over months and years, welcome. Hit the subscribe, drop the like, and let's chat about the macro market conditions. Here, my concern is the formation of a new bearish trend line on the BTC USD pair. And this has enormous significance for the altcoin market and where overall momentum is heading. And should the dotted line be confirmed for a newer trend line, I don't know. And so, I don't know how in-depth I will get in this video. It's been a interesting weekend, and I worked pretty hard, had a lot of stuff to do, and yeah, so we'll just get right into this. I don't know how long we'll chat for, but maybe go watch some of the other videos I posted the past couple days. I think things have been pretty spot on. The range values we're identifying are intriguing, and really flow with this sort of argument that we might see a larger correction. We might see a correction turned market trend here in the near term. So let's look at these range values. Overall, we've identified probably the most notable thing here on the chart is a very wide range between 21 and 70%. This is sort of our correction to correction to capitulation scale. And what this means for me is that if we start to see a free fall, the point at which I will start to average in to Bitcoin or crypto more generally is probably going to be when Bitcoin hits this $43,000 mark. And of course that requires, if we deny this very quickly and easily flip back the support that we're kind of teasing around. I mean, this isn't really necessarily flipped yet, but we're playing on it. If we do that, I'm not too worried. And frankly, if, depending on where we retest, I'm not too worried. I think the most important thing here is just this, like I keep saying it, the Bitcoin 50,000, Bitcoin 50,000, Bitcoin 50,000. I mean, if Bitcoin drops 50,000, I'm extremely concerned. I'm very concerned for altcoins and where things could go for the wider market. So the whole condition has me thinking a little bit of the parody song from The Office, Goodbye Toby, and yeah, I sure hope bull season best not be moving on. But let's move on to the ENJ, because this is what folks are looking for. I know they want these sort of massive gains on altcoins. Oh goodness, I don't want to add forex symbols. Let's see. So the thing let's get this where it was really viewable. Is if we go back to, there we go. That one is visible. Oh my goodness. No. Want to see the correlations. All right. So. I mean, it's ridiculous, but the correlation always sort of exists. Here we go. That's even better. And it's, there is a range differential between these two where the functional difference is a factor of maybe like 1.7 to 6. If you look at these, see, here we are. Most extreme, least extreme. It's a little less than 1.7. But you know what I'm saying? Like, and so the thing is that this, oh wow, Bitcoin, very nice, starting on March 4th. That's fun. That's the things I didn't, I looked at this a lot and I never got to that one. But let's get to one that just displays what we want. All right, here we go. So the thing about this correlation is that the chart we were just looking at, the Bitcoin USD chart, is, in my opinion, still the driving force behind the overall crypto market. The index of crypto to Bitcoin is still still more important than the USD pairs for almost all of the cryptocurrency that's out there. Of course, there are exceptions. There's exceptions to everything, but as an investor, I'm concerned with the majority in the most cases, and I think the majority of cryptocurrencies are looking somewhat similar to this exact chart and the sort of range differential setup that we're seeing. So the thing that this says, and to me, is, let's see. So we'll go November 9th, 2020. It's going to be our retrace date based on this. So November 9th, 2020. We'll go back to, yeah, I mean that would be an extreme retrace all the way to the 16,000 mark. So should we do that? Let's get this off here. Alright. So the breakdown on Enjin coin, should Bitcoin hit 16,000? What am I looking for? I need the range values up because I need to go from, let's go from the bottom up. So do this a little different. 16. Let's see, so Bitcoin breaks down to 16,000. I'm gonna think, I'm looking for, oh, that's, I mean, I guess so. I wanted yield rectangle. And when I say I want a rectangle, I mean I want the TradingView ad telling me to buy Premier. Not doing it, TradingView. Give me Premier for free. So, a little bit lower to that, about 34 cents. There it is, folks. Should we see big time collapse in the Bitcoin market? This is what I'm looking at for one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. And right, I guess I'm looking for the arrow. I'm gonna draw. Yeah, I don't know. You know, it's strange. I think, you know, a reason that folks like the channel is I'm not afraid of analyzing different contingencies and looking at what strategies might set up in different situations. I'm not saying that this will happen. I'm saying this is my setup, my consideration. Should we break down 50,000, and should this is my concern. And frankly, you know, like if this is good, I'm set. I'm happy. I'm thrilled. You know, if we go up forever, that's awesome. That's great. I just want to be prepared in case we don't. And this is what I see as the don't. And it looks a little clearer than it has for a while. You know, I think this one was just, or this here was just too much of a flash, and these were so new that it wasn't much of a concern. It seemed like, yeah, obviously we're gonna keep going up, but I don't know. I need more time. We need more time. So once we get more time on this chart, that will be helpful. But for now, we're watching. Bounce off 50,000 would be nice. Especially bounce off 50,000, clear 55, 56,000. Great. Super happy to see it. Let's go. What do you think is going to happen? Make sure to let me know in the comments below. Also, appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate you subscribing as much as well. And hope you have a great day.